In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a section in Framer quickly and easily, even if you're brand new to the platform. This is a super useful skill because sections help you structure your page, keep your layout organized, and make it much easier to build professional looking websites without confusion. Whether you're creating a landing page, a portfolio, or a full business site, knowing how to add a section in Framer will save you time and help you work more efficiently. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Framer tutorials like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open your Framer project. Once you're inside your workspace, look for the plus button, also called the insert button. This is where Framer keeps all the elements you can add to your design. Click that plus button to open the insert menu. Now, in the search bar, type section. If you don't see section right away, you can also search for stack, since a stack can be used to create a section-like layout depending on what you need. After you search, you'll see the available element in the results. The next step is to drag it onto your page. Framer makes this really easy, so just click and hold the section or stack element, then place it wherever you want it to appear on the canvas. Once it's on the page, you can resize it, move it, and start adding content inside it. If you're using a section for layout organization, this is a great time to think about what you want to place inside it. For example, you might use it for a hero area, an about section, a features block, or a call to action. Sections are useful because they help separate your content into clear parts, which makes your website easier to design and easier for visitors to understand. You can continue customizing the section by adjusting its spacing, width, height, alignment, and background style. If you're using a stack inside the section, you can control how the content arranges itself vertically or horizontally, which gives you even more flexibility. This is one of the reasons Framer is such a powerful tool for building modern websites without needing to write code. If the section doesn't look the way you want at first, don't worry. You can always click it again and refine the settings until it fits your design. You can duplicate it, move it around, or nest other elements inside it to build out your page step by step. The more you practice, the faster this process becomes. So to recap, open your project, click the plus insert button, search for section or stack, and drag it onto your page. That's all it takes to add a section in Framer. It's a simple process, but it's an important one because it helps you create cleaner, more organized layouts. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Framer tips, website building tutorials, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.